Hey, what's going on, guys? Update on the market today. Looking at MSTY, is now the time to start taking profits on this fund. Looks like today it was down 2.54%. MSTR, very volatile day, right? Opened up close to 440, ended up, looks like the bottom was 380, 380. Then rallied back up and then kind of just slowly sold off the rest of the day. I think MSTR is overvalued at these levels. Yeah, I know Michael Saylor is doing some really good things. Well, really interesting, innovative things with Bitcoin, leveraging and stuff like that. But as far as their software business, the numbers just don't make sense. The market cap doesn't make sense for these current levels. I think we're going to still, continue to see some pullback here in this fund, both in MSTR and MSTY. MSTZ is a fund that I was trading today. Pretty volatile stock. It's only $1, but it's 2x inverse of MSTR. Just do keep in mind the risk with inverse funds like this, and it pretty much resets every day. So there's definitely going to be some theta decay for sure with these types of funds. Do your own research, but this is a way you could potentially play the downside. MSTZ. Overall in the market, though, I think the Russell 2000 and the Dow Jones led the way. IWM, pretty massive choppy day today. Looks like it topped out at close to 245, and then the Dow Jones was up 1% today. Yeah, the Nasdaq was only up 0.16. SPY was 0.34. Yeah, so it looks like the Dow Jones was the leader in that space. Of all three, it looks like the Russell 2000 was up 1.52%. I saw a news article. It looks like they hit a level that hasn't been hit since 2021. So congrats to the Russell 2000 shareholders out there. I like IWM. That's one I trade often. But back to what I was kind of looking at today. MSTR, I think it's overvalued right now. And I think, especially this week, we're going to see some more red. Down $18 in the day, but it did, it was down in the 380s, 390s at one point earlier on in the day. So let me know what you think down below. Do you think this stock obviously has a ton of volatility going on here, but do you think it can, will continue to pull back? We have the shortened week this week with Thanksgiving. I'm expecting it definitely to finish off the week below 400. It will be interesting to see, though. Needless to say, MSTY had that big payment recently, so you are hedged a little bit to the downside. But if MSTR does bad, MSTY is going to do bad. So just keep that in mind. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. Update on MSTY and some other stocks and ETFs mentioned today. It looks like the Russell 2000 led the way, and then the Dow Jones was the second leading.